ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Kum sebentawan beteng biang ya kawat kabaar na kabentaban Pynkylla ya ka sorba Shillong na gijing daheng kali ka sarkar kalarai ben Pynbono de ki jaga penyang kali ya ki ying sarkar ki baklem pendon kam. Habis keren bekla pathai ku boru konrad ulong ban beteng ya kawat kabaar ka office rekam jakatna PWD keberan Barik ma persya ba ka Shillong Civil Hospital on Pynpra no bar anchna jaga penyang kali.
Massive program for working towards the second phase of decongestion of Shillong city. And in the first phase, as you're aware, that many government plans which were lying unused have been transferred or shifted to urban affairs, and urban affairs has gone ahead and created parking lots like you've seen in the one in Watts Lake, in Negrims. Then we have tendered out the forest department in Polo, the MECL one in Polo. These have been tendered out, and in some places the work has even started. So now, continuing with that entire momentum, we have gone through the different processes of now using more government property to create more parking lots. For example, in the Barik point, there is a program to shift the PWD office, which is happening very soon, and convert that again into some parking space and green space. And as I said, we'll be hoisting the national flag there, which will be a large 40-meter, 50-meter flag, which will be hoisted. Like that, certain government bungalows, certain spaces like the Barik, the Brightful, I think, bungalow. Yeah, so the bungalow there will be used for parking, and we'll be creating more space there. Simply in Hydri Park also, once we are able to shift the animals from there, which we expect in about 3 months to 4 months time to shift the animals, we will be converting some area from there also into parking space, as well as expanding some part for civil hospital. So all these kind of discussions took place, and overall the land that are available with certain departments which are not being utilized in the most efficient manner, we have worked towards rationalizing those lands, whether it's in Shillong city or other parts of the state. And detailed presentation on that has been given, but it will not be possible for me to, of course, give you all the facts of these. But we do expect that when this happens, there will be much more open space, much more parking space, and the vehicles which are parked on the road now will be parked in the parking spaces, and we'll get space to also expand the road. For example, we are going to be expanding the road and creating footpaths from Shillong Club all the way going up to the Governor House Junction, and all the way going to the Pinewood Junction. So there, the land of the forest, the tourism and the forest department, which is Watts Lake, we will take some space from there, extend the boundary wall, and create a walking space for the pedestrian, so that people have a space to walk out there. So these kind of micro plannings were done on the correct time. We will give you more details about it. But all these were discussed, and we have approved all this. Not approved, but we have seen the presentation today.